How to delete suggested for you on Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. So in today's video we are going to be learning on how we can delete the suggested for you post on Facebook. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now unlike Instagram where you can simply switch between the suggested tab and the following tab where you can only see posts from your following and the people you actually follow, Facebook does not have the option to see posts only from your friends, right? So on Facebook you're going to get the mixed recommendations of all of the posts from all of the pages from all sorts of people. Now there are a couple of ways to actually turn this feature off, which I'm going to describe in this video as well. First of all, just go ahead and then of course launch the Facebook application. Once you launch Facebook app, you might want to actually scroll down, and then right over here you'll be able to see all of the suggested for you posts and so on. So let me also just go ahead and then look for one. As you can see, one right over here is the suggested for you, right? So how do we actually delete this? Well, the algorithm isn't perfect, but you can actually minimize Facebook from sending you more posts like this. All you have to do is just tap on the three dots right next to this specific post, and then here you have show more or show less. When you tap on show more suggested posts in your feed will actually be like this, and when you tap on show less suggested posts in your feed will be like this. Now even though it is not going to completely remove the suggested for you section, it is at least going to help you get rid of these categories right over here. You can go ahead and then simply remove this, and then remove the suggested for any of the other posts that you do not want to see on Facebook. So just tap on the three dots over again, tap on the show less option, but keep in mind, as I said, the algorithm isn't perfect. This is totally up to Facebook as to let them then see us what they want us to see or not, but at least it is going to minimize those type of content. There's really nothing I can do about it because this feature is from Facebook itself. As long as they cannot turn it off, no one else can do it for you. Hope this video answered the question. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, then comment down below. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.